Start.
Good morning, sir. This is Lakshmi Mansa, and I am from Puravanla, Andala village, sir. My mother is an Anganwadi worker, sir. My father passed away. Actually, we are a very poor family. I got placed in 4 companies, sir. TCS, Wipro, Hexaware, and DBS, sir. The highest package is DBS, sir. It is 8.5 lakhs. I am very glad that I am part of this SRIT organization, sir. It provided us with a lot of opportunities. I learned so many things here. I learned so many programming languages. I am very glad to be part of this. I am very thankful to the management, faculty. The faculty here are very they will always give us opportunities. They will always support us. Whatever we do, they will always support us. They will be strict, but they will always support us to reach high positions. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
My name is B. Lokesh. I am from Komanapalli, Nindupur, Anandpur district. Currently I am pursuing 4th year in Srinivas Raman Institute of Technology. And I am placed in 3 companies, TCS 3.5 and Wipro 3.5 and DBS 8.5. I am very happy to share this news with you. I placed in DBS the highest package of 8.5. My parents are very happy. My father is working on daily basis in Weaver. My father, the success is behind me as my faculty and my HOD and Ranjit sir and TMP officer. And thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sheikh Afreen. I am from Anandapur, Andhra Pradesh. Currently, I got job in 3 companies: TCS, Wipro, and Cognizant. I never thought I would be placed in such a great and huge companies. It's because everything of my college, SRIT. There is always a famous saying which is called as "practice makes man perfect." Maybe this was the theme which our college was implemented because there were many trainings and mostly trainings were given inside the college and also outside the college, and also we have also got sources from external, like for example Infosys, they gave separate training. Cognizant, according to the pattern, they gave separate training. Each and every training was excellent. We also know from the basics to advanced, each and everything was superb because of external and internal sources from the training from our college. We are glad to have these many companies in our hand. And also the placement officer, Ranjit sir, Bhargav sir and Sudhi sir were very cooperative for us and also cleared each and every doubts, small or big, anything was cleared and we were free to call them or message them. And also our faculty, principals, sir, everyone were very cooperative and also gave us more support, and every time the constant support was available from our college. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Nagalahari from ADC 4th year. Currently I have placed in 2 companies, Wipro and Cognizant. I never thought I'll be placed in 2 companies. Our management helped us a lot, and as of EC background, I don't even thought of, I have no thought of I'll be placed in IT sector. But our training and placement officers and everyone who are part of training gave very good training for us. Because of we are EC, we don't know the coding skills, but of these 3 months we have practiced on coding like the C, Python and Java. Not only coding side, even they trained us in aptitude too. Even they enhanced our communication skills. All these are part of because they trained us, because these are part of every company recruitment. I thank everyone for this achievement. I thank the training and placement officers, our EC department and all the management. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you so much.
I'm Meghna from Dharmavaram, and I'm pursuing my final year BTech in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology.
And first of all, I should thankful to all the management of SRIT and training placement officer Ranjit sir, and also our head of the department Ravichandra sir, and also our faculty. Why? Because they supported and encouraged us in a big manner. So that I have placed in 3 companies, which is TCS with 3.36 lakhs per annum, and in IBM 4.25 lakhs per annum, and also in Cognizant 6.75 lakhs per annum. So my parents were cost the money due to the COVID. So my parents felt so happy. So I'm glad to say that I'm from the SRIT. Coming to the communication skills, so every student needs the communication skills for cracking any interview. So from the part of SRIT student, I can say that the SRIT can give the communication skills well and good, and also coming to the technical skills also, the results also show for itself. Why? Because the count reaches up to the 500 plus. So I'm so happy to share that I'm from SRIT, and also many more count to come. Thank you.
Sir, I am Shreya Chitrala from Anantapur. Currently, I am pursuing my 4th year of BTech in ECE branch at Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. I have placed in 3 companies, sir, and that's IBM with 4.25 LPA, and Wipro with 3.5 LPA, and Cognizant with 4 LPA. And this has happened because of the support that given by my faculty and the department, and each and every faculty, how they trained us in each and every aspect. The support given by the faculty is not only on the education, they will help us to develop in each and every aspect, and especially for development of communication skills, there is one of the club like Toastmasters International, which also enhances many communication skills and boosted up many students to come this position. So I am very thankful to each and every faculty and to my department and my HOD and Ravichandra sir. So I am very glad to be part of SRIT. Thank you, sir.
This is Pravina from ECE. I am from Anantapur. I am glad to be here in the SRIT because SRIT is a choice of every student who is aspiring to become an engineer. Because here, this is the place where every student need to be joined, where it will be trained in every aspect, like in communication skills, aptitude, coding skills, and many more. And not only that, they even encourage us in many aspects like NSS, NCC, which are extracurricular activities. For an aspiring engineering student to become a software or anything, wanted to go for the course, right? Our college gives many opportunities, and they even conducted many awareness programs, and also the workshops on different languages like Python and artificial intelligence and many more. I got placed in 3 companies: IBM with 4.25 LPA, TCS with 3.36 LPA, and Cognizant with 4 LPA. This is all because of the faculty and the department and the TNP team who supported us very well, and also encouraged and cleared each and every doubt whenever we want their need. And this is all because of our college, and I am proud to be in the part of SRIT. Thank you.
Pursuing my final year BTech in Computer Science stream at Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Today I feel very proud to be a part of SRIT because the journey which I had faced, the ups and downs which I had gone through in my placement journey, I had been very helpful, got help from my SRIT faculty and all the SRIT professors, HOD and TNB department as well. There was time when I was low, when I did not get to be many opportunities, to face many opportunities. I got ready. They got me ready to face any of the interviews or any of the online assessment that they provide as a part of training and placement training program that is given by very eminent faculty for us. So as part of that, they had focused on all-round development, starting from the aptitude, verbal, coding, and all the other stuff which you need to work after going to the industry. Because in this training, we are also provided to be industry ready whenever we go and work there. As part of that, I had received the highest package of 8.5 in DBS company, that is Development Bank of Singapore, which is headquartered at Singapore. And also I had got multiple offers from TCS, Wipro and Cognizant as well. Apart from that, we had gone through various other training programs like AWS and Blue Prism, which have been partnered to SRIT, which focuses on 4.0 technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence, cyber security, and which are boom in the industry now. Finally, I would like to thank our Sampar Shiva sir, who has been a very key role in our placement journey, with which we had been placed 500 plus students till date today, and still we are hoping that more students are to be placed. Thank you, SRIT.
Everyone. Firstly, I would like to congratulate everyone who got selected in placements. I am D. Sharan Teja. I am from Mechanical Engineering, and I have got selected in 3 companies: TCS, Wipro, and as well as Cognizant. Being a mechanical engineer, we are also getting into IT industries. Everyone thinks that mechanical engineering students can't get into IT sector, and it is very difficult to them to get selected into IT industries. Our SRIT proved it very wrong. Our mechanical department also provided us with the motivation and guidance which we required the most, and helped us to achieve many placements in this SRIT. Coming from diploma, being a laboratory student, I was not aware of computer programming languages, in which our TNB section helped us a lot and improved our communication skills, technical skills, and programming languages which we required most for the interviews and getting into IT sectors for various jobs. And also, not only jobs and getting placements, SRIT has also helped us with getting know about discipline and punctuality. The strict rules here make us to follow discipline and learn punctuality, which they are going to help us a lot in future. And I would like to thank each and everyone for providing necessary guidance, assistance, and motivation for us to getting into placement.
I am Lokesh from Dharmavaram. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I am from the ECE background. I got placed in 3 companies, which is Wipro, TCS, and Cognizant. Wipro with 3.5 LPA, and TCS with 3.36 LPA, and Cognizant with 6.75 LPA. I am very thankful to our EC department HOD sir, and also our faculty, and I am very thankful for the TPO Ranjit sir and Bhato sir, and also I am thankful for our college management. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.